Transtar. Sending formula to scale. Now that we've made our paint selection, we will send the formula to the Smart Scale and begin the mixing process. Select the mix size. Here we are choosing an 8-ounce mix size. Click the Scales button to access the products to be weighed for mixing. Click Start Weighing to send the formula to the scale. Eyenstein shows a list of toners arranged by volume to be added to the formula as needed. Following the prompts on the scale, we will select the appropriate toners, add the target weights to start the mixing. Be sure to stir the color thoroughly. Now that the color is mixed, we will add reducer and create a sprayout for final verification. Be sure to record the vehicle information and formula number selected on the sprayout card for future reference. Create the sprayout using the same gun, air pressure and technique that will be used when painting the vehicle. Note the number of coats that will be required to achieve hiding. Just as with the base coat, use the same clear coat, gun and technique that will be used on the vehicle itself. Now that the mixing steps have been completed and we have confirmed our color match, we are ready to start our repair.